Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact Excel workbooks you want to compress and placing them into a single folder. Once done, remove autosave or tilde temporary files so the archive stays clean. This reduces size and confusion. Make sure file names are descriptive and consistent because folder structure is preserved inside the zip. If any workbook has macros or external links, note them now. Those affect extraction and security settings later. You now compress the folder using your chosen tool. On Windows, use the native compressed folder or a utility like 7-zip to choose compression level. Higher compression reduces size but takes longer. On Mac, use compress or zip via terminal to preserve permissions. If you need multiple parts, set split volumes. This is helpful for email limits. Make sure to include hidden files only if required. Unnecessary files bloat the archive and complicate sharing. You finish by validating the zip. Extract it into a temporary location and open key Excel files to confirm integrity and macro behavior. If something fails, recreate the zip using a different compression setting or tool. Sometimes switching to the store or fast method avoids corruption. Make sure to keep a copy of the original folder until verification succeeds. Troubleshooting. Enable CRC or log output in your archiver to pinpoint damaged files before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.